Welcome back to Tech Vibe, your ultimate pit stop for powerful tech that keeps us connected, productive, and a step ahead. Today, we're diving into a smartwatch that's not just a wrist companion, but a complete reimagination of what a wearable can offer in 2025. We're talking about none other than the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, the premium blend of tradition and innovation that Samsung fans have been eagerly waiting for. Whether you're a seasoned Galaxy Watch user, a fitness buff, or someone who wants to blend elegance with smart technology, this new release might just become your next daily essential. Samsung has returned to the classic moniker with a purpose, bring back the much-loved physical rotating bezel, combining it with state-of-the-art hardware and fresh software enhancements powered by Wear OS 5. Right from the first unboxing, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic feels premium. The packaging is minimalist and tightly curated. Inside, you get the watch, a USB-C magnetic charger, and a soft silicone strap redesigned for better comfort during extended wear. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic comes in two sizes, 43mm and 47mm. The model we tested was the 47mm in stainless steel with a silver finish, and it feels like a piece of jewelry meets mission control. The watch sports a Super AMOLED always-on display that's vibrant, crisp, and visible under sunlight. It's protected by sapphire crystal glass, now more resistant to scratches and drops, supporting a peak brightness of 2000 nits. The physical rotating bezel is the headliner here. It brings back the tactile control that many users loved from the Galaxy Watch for Classic. The rotation is smooth, responsive, and accurate, letting you navigate menus and apps without smudging the screen. Samsung's attention to mechanical precision shows it doesn't just work well, it feels good to use. On the inside, the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is powered by the new Exynos W1000 processor, a 5-core chipset built on 3nm architecture. Compared to the previous generation, it offers a noticeable boost in performance and power efficiency. Apps launch faster, transitions are smoother, and there's no lag switching between tiles or workout tracking. It's paired with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage, enough for music apps and offline maps. Wear OS 5 is layered with Samsung's One UI 6 watch skin. This year, the experience feels more refined. Google and Samsung seem to have finally found the right balance between ecosystems. You get Google Assistant, Maps, Wallet, and Play Store access, alongside Samsung Health, SmartThings, Find My Device, and more. Health and fitness are central to the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and Samsung hasn't pulled any punches. It includes all expected sensors: heart rate monitor, SpO2, temperature sensor, ECG, and body composition analysis, plus the enhanced bioactive sensor 2.0. The sensor offers improved accuracy and skin contact, especially useful during intense workouts. New to this generation is sleep apnea detection, FDA approved in some regions. It monitors breathing patterns while sleeping and alerts if signs of sleep apnea are detected. It's potentially life-saving and a major step forward in proactive healthcare. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic also supports irregular heart rhythm notifications, fall detection, and emergency SOS. It adds skin temperature tracking during sleep to help track recovery and circadian rhythm. Workout tracking covers over 100 activities and includes enhanced automatic detection like running, walking, elliptical use, rowing, and swimming. Accuracy is further improved with dual-frequency GPS, making it more reliable in urban areas or tree-covered trails. Satellite signal lock-on is faster and distance tracking more precise. One underrated feature is route workout and track back. Load a custom route before a hike, and the watch provides turn-by-turn guidance. If you get lost, track back helps retrace your steps. It's perfect for exploring new terrain. Battery life is solid. The 47mm version has a 590 mAh battery that lasts up to 2 days on moderate use and about 1.5 days with the always-on display and health tracking. With lighter use or power-saving modes, it can reach 3 days. The 43mm model has a smaller 425 mAh battery and typically lasts around 1.5 days. Fast charging gives you 45% in 30 minutes, with a full charge in under 90 minutes. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic benefits from integration with Galaxy AI. It brings smarter health summaries, contextual workout suggestions, and predictive sleep and stress insights. The watch learns from your habits and offers feedback, not just raw data. It provides coaching prompts when you're inactive or stressed. Safety Check lets you send periodic location check-ins to trusted contacts. This is useful for joggers, solo travelers, or anyone navigating unfamiliar areas. Add car crash and fall detection, and it becomes a smart safety tool. Design-wise, Samsung's stainless steel frame gives it a premium feel without being too heavy. The strap is swappable with standard 20mm bands, and Samsung offers various materials. The default silicone strap is soft and comfortable. The watch is IP68 and 5 ATM water resistant, ready for the pool or dusty trails. Haptic feedback has improved. Notifications feel gentle but clear, and you can customize intensity. Notifications are rich and interactive. Reply with voice quick replies, or the surprisingly usable QWERTY keyboard. Music lovers get offline playback for YouTube Music and others. Download playlists or tracks directly and pair Bluetooth earbuds for phone-free workouts. LTE models support independent calling, messaging, and streaming. If you're in the Samsung ecosystem, the experience is even better. Unlock your Galaxy phone or tablet, trigger SmartThings routines, control your buds' volume, or use the watch as a remote camera shutter. It seamlessly switches between devices. Samsung's answer to Apple's continuity. Durability is top-notch. Sapphire crystal glass resists scratches and holds up after weeks of use. The stainless steel case handles bumps, drops, and sweat, making it both stylish and rugged. Voice controls with Google Assistant are more capable. You can check the weather, send messages, set timers, or get directions. Bixby is still around, but most users will prefer Google. Notifications are instant and customizable. You can now take WhatsApp calls on the watch, thanks to deeper Wear OS integration. Samsung's really streamlined the smartphone to watch experience. Customization is excellent. The new Watch Face Studio lets you create faces with control over colors, data types, and style. Mix analog and digital elements, or link complications to routines like showing steps during workouts and calendar events during work hours. Thanks to Wear OS, you get access to a growing app ecosystem. Strava.com/commute, Spotify, Google Keep, it's all accessible right from your wrist. So, who should buy the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic? If you're a Galaxy user and want a premium smartwatch with deep ecosystem integration, elegant design, and strong health features, this is the one. If you loved the Watch 4 Classic and didn't like the minimalist Watch 5 Pro, this model brings back everything good with even more tech. For athletes and health-conscious users, it provides advanced tracking without needing to go full Garmin. It balances style and substance better than any Samsung watch to date. While not the cheapest, its feature set more than justifies the price. If you're an iPhone user, it still won't beat the Apple Watch in integration, but for Android, especially Galaxy users, it's arguably the best smartwatch of 2025. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, hit like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon. More exciting reviews and comparisons are coming your way, from smart glasses and gaming beasts to drones and AI tech. This is Tech Vibe, where tech meets lifestyle. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.